It is 11:09 GMT, July 21st, 2014. Jay Marsley here with the Daily Forex Trading Outlook. We have a day here with very little economic data, nothing from the U.S., focuses on geopolitics. The yen and the dollar are acting as safe havens, but to me, reluctant safe havens. And we're in a situation where, at least for today, the focus is going to be on U.S. equities again. All markets will key off it, including the Forex market, as events in the Ukraine and Gaza dominate the focus of just about everyone. Now, one thing about Ukraine, tomorrow the EU is said to be seriously considering putting on stricter sanctions on Russia. How that affects the euro is up in the air, but euro stocks are lower today, and that could impact the euro. As for charts, the range is pretty well defined at 134.75 to 134.90. After last Friday's test at 134.90. On the upside, 135.50. We came just below it today. Pause at 135.49, and 135.70 to 75 is what blocks a return to 136. Otherwise, while below 135.50, the focus stays on 135 and below. If you look at charts, we're going to skip quickly to the 1 hour chart. And the reason is, I always look for an indicator that's tracking the move. If you look here, first of all, and I'll circle it out, we've been in this basically 135 figure to 70 range, and really most of it 135 figure to 50 since July 15th. The exception was on Friday, and we had a brief blip up to 135.70, but really it's been 135 figure to 50 most of this time. Now, if we go one step here, look at the green line is the 100-hour moving average. We got briefly above it, but then it came back, held in resistance. Slope is down. I would use that currently around 135.35 as an indicator. If we can stay below it, then the risk is going to be in that 134.75 to 90 range. So that, along with 135.50, are my key levels. Otherwise, that's it for now. If you look, the euro dollar is basically trading within that midway between that 135 figure to 50, but closer to the bottom of today's range, which is 135.18. So as I said, to sum up, 135.50 is, and people who follow me know 135.50 is one of my pivotal levels. It sets the bias, and as long as we're below it, the risk stays on 135. Now, as you know, I post a lot of articles here. I ask you to read them. This is one you should definitely read. It gave you the signal last week when 136 was broken. It's a secret Forex trading pattern revealed. All you have to do is click on this link. If 135 becomes a focus, and you really have to watch. If it's 135 starts to trade, you have to watch it, because it'll give you a blueprint of what happens when those big figures trading, especially one like 135. So I strongly suggest clicking on this link here. Otherwise, that's it for today. You have to watch stocks, no data coming out. Geopolitics will dominate. Good luck, good trading.